Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Both help my channel a whole bunch, and I really appreciate it. Thanks in advance for that. And today we are making this cute little treat holder. Before I start, I wanted to show something because I've been wanting to show this for a while because it was a gift from one of my followers, and it's so pretty. I have to share it. But it must, look at this. This is from Deborah, and she sent this to me. Y'all might see her in the comments, but I'm not going to give her last name, but it was from her, and it's so beautiful. Look at these poinsettias, or poinsettias, however. This must have took forever. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Deborah, for that. But I wanted to share this because I've been wanting to share it for quite a while, and I just kept forgetting to. It's in my living room, so I kept forgetting to bring it back in here and share it. So isn't that so pretty? And it smells really pretty too. So she sent that to me, and I'm so appreciate that. It was really the sweetest thing. So thank you again, Deborah. I really appreciate that. So let's get on with the project. I just had to share it because it was so pretty, and so this is what I'm sharing today. After looking at that, I think this looks just like so plain, and that's so extravagant, but we're going to do this. All right, let's go ahead. And I am using for this the snowman season, and I am fussy cutting the little snowman. I love this snowman on here, but you can use any of these snowmen. You can use him as well. But this is in our annual catalog. This was from last year. It's one of my favorite because y'all know already that I love snowmen. And that is what I'm using for that. And I'm even using the sentiment from that one. So this is really easy. The paper that I'm using, this little gingham, you don't have to use all Christmassy paper. I love this black and white gingham, and I thought it was really cute with him. I'm using that from the pattern party, which is this one. And this one is a host gift. So if you spend $150, use your hostess dollars to purchase this. But look at how big it is. It's super big. I love all the patterns. All the other side is black and white. It has the gingham and all different patterns. It's so pretty. And when I came across this gingham, I thought, you know, that'd be so cute with our little snowman. I did glitter him up. I don't know if you can see that, but he's so cute. But it just unties here. And what is inside, you say? It's so cute. For the Ghirardelli Snowmen. I love these. I love Ghirardelli anyway, but the little snowmans are so stinking cute. This is the bag. They're just milk chocolate caramel, and they have the little snowman on the inside. So I thought it was perfect for this little snowman box. So he's just going to tie here. You don't even have to put a ribbon. You can use a Velcro dot on here and just leave it without the ribbon. But I love this ribbon, and it's real shimmery, and it looks like snow to me. So we are adding the ribbon today. But like I said, you can use a magnet. You can use the Velcro dots. It's all up to you how you want to close it. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we are going to stamp our snowman and color him because it's super quick and easy. And I am going to fussy cut him. So we are just going to pretty much just do the snowman here. But like I said, you can use any of the snowmen, but I love the look on his face and stuff. And while I have this out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp this piece for the top of the box. And when I get to it, I'll tell you the size of this, but since we already have this out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp it. All right, and the Merry Christmas is so cute, and it's so fitting with him. All right, I'm going to set that aside, and then we're going to color. I'm using light and dark balmy blue. I'm using a little bit of the light gray granite, some pumpkin pie for his nose, and I'm using the the light pale pink for his cheeks, and then I'm using a little bit of the color lifter to just lighten up this smoky slate or gray granite that I'm using on here. But I wanted to add it to give him, you know, that illusion of not just leaving it plain white, although you can do that. You can just leave it plain white. But this kind of gives it a little bit more dimension. And I guess I should zoom in for you guys. It'd probably be a little bit better. So I'll zoom in here so you can see that a little bit better. It's nothing special. I'm just kind of outlining, and then I'm going to use my color lifter here to just kind of blend it so it's not so sharp. The edges aren't so sharp. Just don't go crazy, because the color lifter actually will start running a little bit if you use too much of it. But that's all I'm doing, like that. So can you see how it just kind of gives it that effect? All right, then we're going to use the dark balmy blue, and we are going to color his hat. And I'm going to color the little stripes of his hat balmy blue. And then I'm going to do the light for the other part of his hat. And his scarf. And then pumpkin pie for his nose. He's so cute. I love this little snowman. I've used him a bunch. And then I'm just going to do his cheeks. And this pale petal pink, or light petal pink. I want to always call it pale, but, and that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut him. Okay, so you can see I just roughly fussy cut him, and that's just how I'm going to leave him. All right, I'm going to zoom out again. And I'm going to go ahead and add I'm going to glitter him up while I have him out here, because I'll give it a chance to dry. Of course, I get glitter everywhere. I'm just using a little sponge and my wet glue. This is how I just apply the glue. And I just tap it on him here. It's just a lot neater than just trying to. And then I'm just going to put him into, this is Dazzling Diamonds, by the way, but we don't carry this anymore. But any kind of glitter would work so cute. And then there he is, all glittered up. All right, so there he is, all glittered up. So I'm going to give that a chance to dry. My husband, he is so funny, I swear. I'm actually doing this video Thanksgiving Day and morning before I get into the kitchen. And I told him, whenever Foreigner comes on the parade, let me know, because I love Foreigner. And I'm probably telling my age there, but that's okay. And so he came in here and he starts like dancing and singing the words to Foreigner just a minute ago. That's why I kind of got quiet for a minute. All right. Oh my gosh, she's so crazy. All right, so for this, what you're going to need is a 6.5 by 8. This is balmy blue I'm using. And then this piece right here is going to go across the front. So this piece is 1 by 5.5. The one I just stamped for the sentiment, this is 3/4 by 1/2. The matte piece for the front is 5 1/4 by 2 3/4. And then I'm also using our wonderful snowflakes. So these are the little snowflakes that I'm using for the back of the snowman. And I'm going to just go ahead and grab one out of here. These are so pretty, y'all. I think they kind of got mist over, but they're so pretty. They're real iridescent. All right, and then I'm using my beautiful glittered organdy ribbon for this. Okay, let's get the box made. Okay, so we are going to score it. We're scoring it on the 8-inch side at 1, 1.5, 4.5, and 5. And then you're going to turn it on the 6.5-inch side and score it at 1/2 and 6. That's it. What we're going to do here is we are cutting off, let's see, we're cutting off this little square here. Can you see that? And then this end piece, the 1/2 inch. And then we're going to do the same on this side. I'm so much better with my big scissors. I need to straighten that out. There we go. It's much better. And then on the sides here, now I need my little ones. You're going to cut in to this little square part right here on the bottom. And we're going to cut in here. These flaps are going to go inside the box. And then we're going to do the same here. And then we're going to sharpen all these. By the way, I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving Day. Like I said, I'm filming this on Thanksgiving morning, and we are going to be going to my son's house for Thanksgiving. Last year we were not together, so it's going to be really nice to be together. All right. So now what we're going to do here, you are going to put on the outside flaps here, we're going to use some Terran tape. So you want to put these on the outside, not on the inside. This Terran tape, you really need something strong for this part because it's actually just what's holding the box together is this little part, so you want a strong adhesive here. All right. These are going to get tucked in, and then this is going to come up, and you are going to line it up to the sides here. And do the same on this one. Just line it up. Make sure they're nice and square. Just like that. You can even put a piece of Designer Series paper on the inside here. But the snowmen are so cute. I'm going to grab 4 more because it fits 4. But you know, this may fit like a candy bar too. I didn't even think about this, but I bet it would fit like a Hershey's bar. I don't have one, but I bet it would fit a Hershey's bar. It looks about the same size. Yeah, so I think maybe a Hershey's bar, like the almond Hershey's bar, they're a little bit shorter than the regular ones. That might fit too. I'm not sure, but if I had one, I would show you. Let's see if it would work. All right, so these 4 little guys fit in there just right. You can even mat this piece. I thought about matting that piece. But it's all in what you want to do. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is grab my ribbon. And you need enough to go around your box. But like I said, if you don't want the ribbon, you can just put Velcro on here or magnets. Either way. And then you want to be able to tie your bow. So I'm going to go ahead. Make sure this stays flat because you're going to put your designer series paper over that. And then we'll tie our bow here. Fix that. And then let me trim that. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and mat it. I am going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus for this, so it stays on here and the ribbon doesn't come off. And that fits right there. Then we're going to glue these together here. And then we're going to put this on our box. Right there. I'm going to grab my little snowflake and I'm going to put some adhesive on that. I'm going to put that on there. And then we're going to get our little snowman and we're going to put a couple dimensionals on him. You can really decorate these any way you want, but this little snowman I thought was perfect for this box. And then we're putting him on there like that. And there you have it. Done. See, it's really easy, right? Here's the other one. Aren't they cute though? Oh my goodness, I love snowmen, and I think this is the first snowman project I did this year. I can't remember, but I think it is. All right, everyone, if you need any supplies, this is my hostess code for November, and you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I hope you all have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.